Hello friends, this is the part 2 of teaching aptitude MCQs important for CTET, HTET, REET, BPSC and JTET examinations. So question number 1, which principle emphasizes that learning depends on learner's readiness? Options are A, law of exercise, B, law of readiness, C, law of effect, and D, law of recency. Answer is B, law of readiness. The students learn better when they are mentally and physically ready. For example, introducing writing only after later recognition. Question number 2, which factor affects classroom communication most? A, teacher's clothing, B, teacher's clarity and tone, C, students' age, and D, classroom design. Answer is B, teacher's clarity and tone. Clear and expressive communication ensures understanding using gestures, clear pronunciation, and examples. Question number 3, diagnostic evaluation helps in A, ranking students, B, identifying weaknesses, C, assigning grades, D, promoting students. Answer is B, identifying weaknesses. Diagnostic tests are used before or during teaching to detect learning difficulties of the students. So sometimes students feel difficulty in seeing the board, or sometimes they are emotionally disturbed due to conflict at home. So there are so many reasons that has to be diagnosed. For example, a reading test to identify dyslexia. Question number 15. Sorry, 3. The main focus of Bloom's taxonomy is A, learning objectives, B, teaching aids, C, classroom management, D, students' discipline. Answer is A, learning objectives. Bloom's taxonomy categorizes cognitive learning into levels. First, lowest level is knowledge, second is understanding, then comes application and analysis, etc. So, writing learning outcomes like students will be able to analyze a poem. In writing learning objectives, we have to use action verbs which can be visible. So such type of action words like understand or know is not used. Next question, a teacher uses real life examples while teaching science. It follows which principle? A, principle of activity, B, principle of correlation, C, principle of motivation, D, principle of reinforcement. Answer is B, principle of correlation. Correlating learning with life enhances